Right, look at the sky. What's happening in the sky up there? Little clouds, a little bit of rain coming through. Where are we going today? We're going to Bow Desert, BK's for coffee, then we're heading off through at Downey, down the back way to Mt Barney View Road. Lovely little spot, great views. Before we head up on the Moogerah at Downey, head around the back, Mount Alfred up over the back to Lake Moogerah, and then back to Boona for lunch and home. So that's the theory. And with a bit of rain around. But here we have a not new rider, he's new to Band of Bikers. So he got out of the car onto a bike. Very good. We've got the BMW club down here. It's just, what do you do with these guys, eh? And then we have the monster. Yeah, a few scared away today with the sprinkling and the threat of rain. So anyway, we're going to have a great day. Look at this guy. Where's your stickers, boys? Come on, get your Band of Bikers stickers and your shirt.
This morning with my stickers.
So we're off. All clear. Off we go. There you go. Blue skies, blue skies. In the Bow Desert. Beautiful day. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Beautiful. Green and oh. So green. Welcome to Bow Desert. Normally brown and dusty. Look at it now. Gateway to a mountains. Awesome. Whoa. Is anyone there? Up. It looks like it's closed. It's closed, or at least the sitting down area is closed. We'll go up to Macca's. I know you love that. All stacked in behind. Snuggled up. I'm just wondering whether at Downey, if it's still bucketing, we pull in, jump under. I think there's some. Is there shelter there at Downey? No, not for many. We're going that way. Come on. Oh, she's loving it on the Band of Bikers. Where else would you be? Forget being home in bed, watching TV, cup of coffee. Here we go, loving it every moment. Come on, blow through. There's a blue sky over there, I can see. I can see. Just for a bit of a stretch, a photo opportunity. The vendor biker is always close to a toilet. Just waiting for one guy. The boys here. You all good? You all right? Okay, everyone. Let's go. Oh, you all right? You're right. What happened?
Someone broken down here.
Broken down? Kill switch.
Some sort of electrical problem.
Is that off?
That's on.
Switch is not the problem. Lights are off. You got. Oh, put up your stand.
Is it in gear?
Yeah.
Rookie mistake.
It's all learning. All cameras on. Let's go. We might stop up here for a photo opportunity if there's. Oh, okay. I don't know. It's a nice little road though. A lot of rain behind us. We're heading for the blue sky. There's magic in the mountains around Boona. Ooh, yes. How good is that, people? Is it's still beautiful. Look at that blue sky. Look at this, soak it in. Soak it in, people. Just can't get over this beauty. of. So green, you've heard that 1,000 times. Another word for it, beautiful. Okay. Look at that river. Well, that was a nice little respite. Totally different the other way. Totally. Totally different. Okay. Moogerah Downy Boat. Catch you later. Oh, big truck. Stay on the other side of the road. Cruiser does the spine in. Serious? Maroon Dam. Don't know where that rain's coming. Hello. This looks good up here. I love this spot. Looking out over all the basin. Carnegie Road. On the way to Queen Mary Falls, but we'll turn off to Mount Alfred before that. It's a bit bumpy this road, but it's a lovely country road. Look at that, will you? Love that vista. Gorgeous! I love it! Stop recording. Just so gorgeous. That's running. That! Oh, rain coming. Let's get through that. Through all of that before it catches us. Just idyllic, amazing I'd say. Right, my all GPS playing up. Remember which way it was. She should be full, like Moogerah. Yeah, skiing, beautiful. Oh. That is gorgeous. That is beautiful. Never seen so much water in it. For so long. People are at the play. Is that good? It's a nice little back roads there. Here we are. Got some boys obscuring my view, but how good is this? No. I'll just get to show them. Just stay there, mate, yes. Then come up over your shoulder. Boom.
Okay.
Smile.
You and your toys.
Oh, here we go.
What the heck is that?
Two-eyed beast, mate. There you go. I can't miss the shot. That was theory. To like a little, what do you call it? Helicopter shot. Splashing myself. Here we go. A long stay, ended up at the Damn Shed Cafe after humming and ahhing. I'm not going to stop at Boona now. We'll just head for home. Oh, there's rain ahead. We're going to get wet. So, great day. I don't know what we have. I don't know, 12 bikes maybe? The rain scared a few away. And it was a good run. Got caught in a few showers here and there. But enjoyed all the little twists and turns. Mount Barney view, the back way, Carney Road, and Alfred down to Mount Alfred, did I say that? Yeah, Lake Moogerah Road. That's very good. So, as we head towards Boona, I will say goodbye unless something happens. It's been a great enjoyable ride. A lot of tall tales at lunch. We really enjoyed it. And look out for our next ride. And YouTube, of course. Okay, see you later. Bye. Uh-oh. We're heading right into it. Right into the storm. Little wet ride home, I think.